A lightweight and convenient mounting solution for your AirMini, whether at home or on the go. Secures to a bed frame, nightstand, wall or even an airplane seat pocket to keep your AirMini nearby as you sleep. The AirMini Mount System includes a mount, mattress module, hook module and wall module for easy assembly to most surfaces, screws, adhesive tape not included. Top reviews from the United States. This mount system works. If this review helps in any way positive or negative, please hit helpful. It will help encourage me to continue my real reviews of products I've purchased. Pros. Price. This is the lowest price that I've seen for this mounting system. The design is simple and easy to use and does not take up a whole lot of space. Helps protect my AirMini from accidentally falling to the floor, or having air intake blocked. Actual mount clips easily to AirMini and both still zip into my ResMed AirMini CPAP machine travel bag 38,841. For mounting there is a mattress strap module, wall module, and hook module, each of which easily you fit to your AirMini CPAP mount. Personally I use the mattress strap module exclusively while traveling along with AirMini CPAP mount and will cover that later.